Let's create a simple Flex dashboard within 2 minutes. So first of all, you will need to install the package. So install it. And the package name is Flexdashboard. So once we have it, all you need to do is go to New File, R Markdown, and then from the templates, just pick the Flex dashboard and say OK. And there we go. We have a basic template structure there. So just save it and let's give it a name and then knit it. And you have an output already. For the time being, I'm leaving the title as untitled. You can obviously change it to something more useful like hospital dashboard or something, and create some dummy data. So we have data for some patients, patient ID, age, name, sex, admit date, etc. So let's create a chart. So I'm creating a chart in the provided template. So there was a chart A. I'm just going to change the name of that. And we have put some code, and then let's knit it up. You would see that there's a chart in the first placeholder. Let's do the same thing for chart B. Change the name. Save it and knit it. So there we go. Let's do the same thing with the third placeholder. This is how the final chart looks like. Now let's make some changes to this. So you can see that the orientation is currently columns, and I'm going to change it to rows. And let's see what happens with that. So there we go. We have a row-based orientation now. You can see there is 2 rows now. Here is a quick comparison of the column-based layout and the row-based layout. So in under 2 minutes, we have learned how to create a basic dashboard in R. In the next video, we'll cover some advanced topics on this one. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.